are celebrating our 100th sampling events. So basically that means that we have had, at least in West Maui, this is the 100th week that we've done samples. So that doesn't mean 100 samples. We've actually done over 3,000 samples. So this is just the 100th week.
So the Department of Health is able to take this data and plug it in to issues that are happening with stormwater runoff, and that's something that Maui Nui Marine Resource Council has done. We started getting water quality samples, and that data revealed that were activities and happenings upslope that are impacting our reefs.
The QAP process for the state of Hawaii for citizen science volunteers, which is a quality assurance process and procedures, so that the state can feel that certain protocols were followed in volunteers collecting water samples. It's not just somebody off the street like grabbing a sample of water. There's strict protocols and procedures.
So when we started this initiative, we did not have comprehensive coastal water quality data to guide our actions. Now, after these years of working together, we have data for 40 sites along leeward Maui. And this matters because you can only manage what you measure. So we are now doing that.
Without the leadership and volunteers of this organization, we wouldn't have the data that we need to be able to assess properly what's going on and how to address the situations with our reefs.
Councilwoman Paltin pointed out that back in the early 2000s, it was a very lonely place to care about water quality, and that this was an answer to that aspiration for us to really be able to monitor and therefore manage what's happening in our nearshore environment.
And this is very real that we're losing our reefs. And this has happened over just the last few decades. It wasn't that many decades ago that these reefs were healthy. And so if we don't do something now as a group of people here in Maui, all of us, government, industry, all of us working together, if we don't take some action now, we're going to lose these reefs. And that can't happen because they're just too valuable.